Hi everyone, welcome back to another trading day, Tuesday 4 June 2024. Today I will trade long Swiss franc, pound and New Zealand, and short in the US, the yen and the cat. And at the end of this video, I'll show you my favorite trade idea for today. First up, the dollar index, big drop yesterday on the PMI figures, very negative, so very negative for the dollar. So we see now that we are clearly below the moving averages for the long and the medium term. We are on the short term bearish, and on my intraday I'm also bearish. So nothing stops it from bouncing from here at the support levels to retest the moving average. That's inevitable. That will happen at some stage, and that could be a retest. That would be then really the confirmation. This is a confirmation, it's bearish. But on the retest, the bears need to prove themselves, taking back their territory. So if the bulls can push it up to the moving averages now, and we can get the bears stepping in there and then come back down, definitely big shorts coming up there. Big channel, rising channels, so the retest, that should happen. It seldom doesn't happen. It can fall like a rock, but it seldom does. But right, a retest there would be fantastic, and that would give us then the absolute confirmation and the confidence to say, right, everything is bearish. But at this stage, I am bearish. I have to be bearish. There's nothing else there. It will be retracements at times, but I can see my daily's bearish or my intraday bearish, short-term bearish, medium long-term bearish. So let's see what happens. Gold obviously bouncing from that levels. Nice bullish engulfing on the daily charts, and nothing wrong taking a little long here with the stop loss down on these lows. On my mentoring program, we did a much lower long also because of a divergence trade set up on the 4-hour charts, but that I don't cover here. But yes, something that we can do, and another close above 23.64. That'll give me another chance to add into the trade. So a little bit of a trade coming in here on the end of day charts, which gives you about a $45 risk. And that's not bad at all. Target would be roughly $2,400 levels. You can even push it beyond to those areas there if you want to, or maybe have a double position. But 2,400, that's a natural resistance levels. That's what we're using on 4-hour charts to get us in at targets or out at targets. But if you want to push this further, even that previous highs, that's nothing wrong there, or even those highs there. But for the 4-hour charts, I will exit at 2,400, just below that, and then push a little bit through to those highs at 24.49. Bitcoin bouncing yesterday, giving up a little bit on the break, but still busy breaking. I need a close above that to confirm on the daily chart, so most likely tomorrow. I can't see that it will fail from here, so I just need a little bit of a close outside there, then I'm good to go. The other crypto space is very sideways, slightly negative after yesterday, but Bitcoin pushing very nicely. This whole $70,000 level is it's just stopping it, and that's the level I wanted to close. I needed to close on the other side of that level, and then the breakout up there. I think once we got the daily close above the $70,000 levels, I think then we're in the clear. The next one would be above the $72,000 levels, and then above the all-time high above 74,000 levels. So all those levels will be buying opportunities for longer-term entries. And on the currencies, the Swiss yen, Swiss franc, all the sparkle, yen red zones. I want to be long here. The retracement, I showed this yesterday also. Back to the 61% Fibonacci level here. That's what I'm after. Once it gets down there, I'll consider some longs on candle reversals. And then also this bigger one here. I showed this to you yesterday at the 50% of the bigger swing. That structure there. So if it misses that one, we could still get into this one. But the first one I'll be watching for today is obviously the closest one, and there I will look for some long setups. The pound cat, pound green cat, red zone, nice double bottom here. Look at this, support, 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 became resistance there, and then what we can call a little bit of a bear trap, I think, because people would reverse there, and now suddenly the big spike in the pound, the drop in the cat due to oil. There's no demand for oil, so I would like to see now a retracement. It's a big solid break. I would like to see a retracement to come and retest this double bottom tops here, the intermediate high there, and that's at the 50% level, and that's awesome. So if I can get it back down there, candle reversal, I'll definitely be long. Before we continue, thank you for today's sponsor, Indices. When your business needs a reporting platform to improve the quality and speed of making decisions, consider Insight BI, a seamless add-on for reporting and business intelligence. Inside BI is an all-in-one, cloud-based, 24/7 reporting solution. And guys, for more info, check out the link in the description. In the Aussie Swiss, I wanted to do this yesterday on the short side, but well, we couldn't get an entry there. Now this last directional swing, the retracement back to 50% level structure coming in there. So when it gets back up there, I'm not going to short at these levels. They're right at support levels. That's just crazy. I want to see a retracement. If I don't get a retracement, I won't short. Then the US Swiss. US Swiss, last big swing on the dollar drop yesterday on the PMI, worse than expected. The retracement back to the structure here, that's the area, right at 61% Fibonacci. That's the area I'm going to wait for it. This is right at support levels. I don't want to short this. And it's morning. It's most likely going to start to dribble up today. So if I can get a retest there, I'll look at a counter reversal and then I'll attempt some shorts. Pound Swiss, pound, you can see all the, well, pound is green, Swiss is also green, but pound is in relation to the Swiss weaker. So I would still like to be short here, but I'm actually after the Swiss long. That's what I'm after. And by shorting this, that'll give me a Swiss long. So this last two swings here, that retracement right at 61% confirmed yesterday with structure there. So if I'm lucky enough that the market gets back up there again today, I'll then consider some shorts. In the Aussie New Zealand, Aussie neutral, New Zealand green zone. So want to be short here. That gives me a long on the New Zealand. Now it broke last night there, the retracement, and then a bearish engulfing. So there was already a short setup this morning yet. Don't chase it down the page, silly. And with a stop loss up there. Right, so it's a little bit of a consolidation. I've been watching this for a while. Big strong support level, 1, 2, 3, broke on the fourth attempt, retested, counter reversal. Okay, that doesn't mean it's gonna drop like a rock. If you want to wait, I would, no problem with that. You can wait for another retest and then a counter reversal there. That'll get me to look for some shorts again there. But that was the original entry there. Then the Aussie US, I want to be long Aussie. Well, not really long Aussie. I want to be short Aussie. But yeah, I want to be long Aussie and short New Zealand, US dollar. And that's what I'm after. So if it retraces back to the 61% level here, I'll then look for some longs. But I don't want to buy up there. I want it to come back here as long as this stays blue. That's a little bit flimsy, worrying me slightly. But if it gets there and I get a strong counter reversal, I'll take some longs. And my favorite trade idea for today is along on the New Zealand CAT, New Zealand green zone, CAT red zone. Nice consolidation, big consolidation here. Double test there and there. And then the solid clean break. The retest back to 50% level of this last directional swing. Some counter reversal there. Then I'll definitely consider some longs. But guys, trading isn't just about my insights. Please fill up the comments below this video. I've been trading since 2003. And if you are eager to take your trading skills to the next level, check out the link in the description to join my mentorship program. You can also support this channel by opening a trading account with a trusted broker from the link below, which I've been using since 2010. Thank you for joining me today on this trading journey. Remember that trading carries risk, so don't forget to trade responsibly and never trade with money you cannot afford to lose. I can't wait to see my next video. Until then,